Good day, circuit. So here's my step-by-step solution for the minimize cost activity. So here is the problem. You and your partner own a cafe that serves two types of drinks, red drink and green drink. How many cups of each drink should be sold to minimize cost while still meeting the daily requirements? So here are the given. For the calories of red drink and green drink, they both have 60 calories. And for the vitamin A, the red drink have 6 while the green drink have 12. For vitamin B, the red drink has 30 while the green drink has 10. And for the cost, the red drink have 15 pesos and for the green drink, it has a price of 18.50 pesos. So, let X be the number of red drinks sold and let Y be the number of green drinks sold. Our objective function is minimize cost. The constraints are 60x plus also 60y is greater or equal to 300, while the next is 6x plus 12y is greater or equal to 36. Next is 30x plus 10y is greater than or equal to 90. The non-negative constraints are x is greater or equal to 0 and y is greater or equal to 0. So to get the correct constraints, we will divide all terms in the first to 60. So it will be turned x plus y is greater or equal to 5. Next is we will divide all terms by 6 to get x plus 2y is greater or equal to 6. Next is we will divide all term by 10 to get 3x plus y is greater or equal to 9. So this will be solved by checking corner points of the feasible region. Intersection of number 1 x plus y equals 5 and number 2 x plus 2y equals 6. So to solve x plus y equals 5 will be turned to x equals 5 minus y. So substitute it to the second will be 5 minus y plus 2y equals 6 will be turned to 5 plus y equals 6 and we will get 1 for our y. So to solve for the x, we will minus the 5 to 1 to get 4. So our points are 4 for the x and 1 for the y. So we will substitute the points to our cost, and to solve for the cost, 15 times 4 plus 18.50 times 1 will be 60 plus 18.5 will be 78.5. So the other possible corners are all red, x equals 6 and y equals 0, and the cost is 90. All green fails to calorie constraint, and other intersections are invalid or give negative values. The lowest cost was from 4 and 1. So therefore, to minimize cost while meeting all nutrient requirements, we have to sell 4 red drinks and 1 green drinks. So that's my step-by-step solution to solve the minimize cost activity. Thank you.